Hello friends, my name is Myra Singh. Today I'm going to tell about the kitchen. Let's play. See, this is a pan. You can put some egg or anything. This is also the pan. You can put anything. This is about the cap. You can put from the up. Okay. And this is a sink. This is sink. You can either wash your hands or wash the dish. So let's play the kitchen. Okay. So I need my toast. Let's keep in the pan on it. And let's take his timer. And let's pick it and put in this. It looks fun, no? And these are sugars. Let's put the sugar. And let's put the cap in the sugar. Oops. And this is the ketchup. See? Let's put the ketchup. And these are the mustard seed and pepper. Let's put it. Whoosh. And we need some little bit water. Let's put in a pan. And I need some carrots to cut it. Let's take some knives and cut. Let's take the plate and cut it in this. It's almost cut. And then, let's put in this. And thank you, friends. If you want to watch my kitchen toy, I will show you again. Thank you. Bye. Please subscribe in my YouTube channel. You can watch and have lot of good day.